Guys, please stop speculating in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, because I can tell you out of my own experience that you most likely are going to lose money while doing so. There is a reason why Warren Buffett does not invest in Bitcoin or gold, and the simple reason for that is because Bitcoin does not give you rent, interest or dividends.
If you buy an ounce of gold today and you hold it 100 years, you can go to it every day and you can coo to it and you can caress it and you can fondle it and 100 years from now you'll have 1 ounce of gold and it won't have done anything for you in between. If you buy 100 acres of farmland, it will produce for you every year. You can use that money to buy more farmland. You can do it, all kinds of things. For 100 years, it'll produce things for you, and you still have 100 acres of farmland at the end of the 100 years. Now, if you told me you owned all of the Bitcoin in the world, and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it, because what would I do with it?
And yeah, if that's not enough, even Michael Saylor, the really popular Bitcoin investor, he does not even consider investing in Bitcoin if he does not hold it for at least 10 years. He even says holding Bitcoin forever is the right investment approach, and everything that is before that is just basically gambling that the price goes up.
And look, there's plenty of times when Bitcoin performed really poorly for more than a year at a time. If you go back,
the question is, how can you even call yourself an investor if you don't have a 10-year time horizon?
So,
if you have a 4-year time horizon is short, a 10-year time horizon is reasonable. Warren Buffett says infinite, forever is the right time horizon. If you're saying your time horizon is a year, you're not an investor, you're a gambler.
So since you have seen the testimonies of Warren Buffett and Michael Saylor right now, I hope that you stop speculating in Bitcoin and don't just go for the next bull run, because what usually happens or what happened with me is that when you are in the bull run, then you always think it's going up forever and it's not going down, and if it goes down you just say to yourself, that's just a dip, it will go back up, and sometimes it's even the case and you might make some money. But it's really risky, and you either really know what you do, but then you have to be really, really good, and it's difficult because you can't predict the future. So please consider holding Bitcoin for a long time period if you want to invest. Otherwise, you will lose money like I did in the past and have to learn the hard way. And this video the takeaway of this video should be that you don't make the same mistake as I did. And if you want to hear other reasons why you should hold a Bitcoin, here I have a video of Michael Saylor explaining exactly the reasons why he actually bought Bitcoin.